we would like to take the next few minutes to share with you highlights of the newest member of our continuous feed inkjet family, the Ricoh Pro VC60000. Ricoh has designed and developed the Pro VC60000 from the ground up to target the commercial print market segment. The Pro VC60000 offers several benefits to help customers fill the gap between traditional offset and current digital technologies, including exceptional color print quality, support for traditional offset coated stocks, an optional protector coat unit, and a new Ricoh digital front end and graphical user interface. Ricoh has leveraged its years of experience with printhead technology to produce a next-generation, high-quality piezo drop-on-demand printhead capable of physical resolutions of up to 1200 by 1200 dots per inch. The digital front end will dynamically choose the most appropriate drop size at the pixel level to maximize print quality in subtle areas such as fine pitch lines and flesh tones. Ricoh has designed and manufactured high-density, low-water content pigment inks for the Pro VC60000 with gamut capabilities required by standards such as Grackle. These inks are delivered to the printheads via high-capacity, hot-swappable ink containers. The ability to print on a variety of stocks, including offset coated stocks, enables customers to produce high-quality output, comparable to what they expect today from their offset devices. The optional undercoat unit prepares offset coated stocks by coating one side or both sides. For non-offset coated stocks, the undercoat unit can be bypassed. Additionally, the optional inline protector coat unit will provide scratch and scuff resistance to critical documents needing additional durability as they are processed through finishing devices. Ricoh's latest generation digital front end supports industry-standard data streams including PDF, PDF-VT, PostScript, and AFP at production speeds up to 120 meters or 394 feet per minute. Job setup and integration into customer workflows can be enabled by JDF support. For advanced users, the new graphical user interface supports industry-leading color management control, such as device link profiles. These powerful features will provide customers greater flexibility to meet both current and future market requirements. Once you see the print quality for yourself, we believe you will agree the Pro VC60000 is capable of meeting and exceeding the print quality that commercial printers around the world demand for many of their jobs.